coming from legal, saying all I wanna do is chill with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and if you're stopping by for the first time, my name is TONIA OKOLIE and I'm a YouTuber based in New York, and I'm here with my sister. Her name is Judith. So today we're going to be putting together my vision board. She's here to help me. Thank you. Say hi now to my people, to my gems, my family. I call them gems. You know, they're rare and beautiful. You know, today you said they're rats. What is a vision board? A vision board is a tool used to help clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on a specific life goal. Literally, a vision board is any sort of board on which you display images that represent whatever you want to be or do or have in life. Before we start this video, please make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and let's just begin. The first thing you're supposed to do is list your goals down, everything you want to achieve in 2020. Get your computer and then Google pictures that represent your goals or that you can use to visualize your goals, and then print it out and paste. But for now, I'm just going to Google out the pictures. Then tomorrow I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and get the board. I'm done at the dollar store, so now I'm heading home. As you would have already seen, I got this board at Dollar Tree for $1. So I've printed all the images and my sister is here to help me cut them out. So let's just begin. So we finally cut off everything and now it's time to arrange. I'm going to divide the board into 3 sections. One section is going to be for motivation and self-love, like quotes and all that. The other section is going to be about travel, and the last section is going to be about fitness, life goals, and all that. So we're going to see how it's going to go. I made this. Yeah, she's so good. I've placed everything on the vision board, so now it's time to glue everything.
Show them the power in youth, power in truth. The younger you stay, the closer you are to your roots. That's the reason I know I can teach you how to hit the skies. Rise above them.
Guys, I'm done. We are done. Sorry. We're finally done. I'm so excited. It looks amazing, guys. Can you see that? Can you see this? Like, it looks so amazing. This is how the board looks. Let me explain. Okay, guys. So let me just quickly explain to you what my vision board contains. So let's just begin from up here. Right here I have a Bible verse, and this just represents me being closer to God this 2020. Here I have motivational quotes. I have them around my vision board, as you can see. So I have quotes to motivate me, and I place them all around my vision board. And here I have make money, because I want to make $1 million. $1 million naira. So I want to be able to save up to or make up $1 million naira. And here is make money. Here is a check. I got this picture online and then I filled in the amount I want to make. So $1 million naira, that's equivalent to $3,000. And here I have you're hired. I want to get a job this 2020. Here I want to travel. I want to go back to Nigeria to visit my people. I want to go to Washington, D.C. I want to go to Miami, Atlanta, Dubai, and so on. Here I want to go on a romantic date with my loved one. So yes, that represents romance. And let's go back up. So this represents my relationship with God. I want it to get stronger. This is also motivational quotes and all that. So this right here is I want to get sponsorship, hair sponsorship from 𝒃.𝒽.𝒃.𝒃.𝒃. That's why I put it there. And here, this is the amount of subscribers I would like to have by the end of 2020, if not by the end of 2020, in the future. And then this, repeat after me, I am enough. I tend to think too much, so me saying this every day will remind me that, okay, like, don't think too much, you're okay, you're enough, you know? Just motivates me. I got this from a magazine. It's also motivational. And here I have a today's to-do list. So every day I put everything I need to do in a day. So when I'm done, I take it off when I've accomplished everything. So here are just more motivational pictures just to motivate me. Right here I have get fit, because this year I want to be fit. I want to be fit. Right here I have my master's degree. I want to start my master's degree this year. And right here I have Juvia's place because I want to get sponsored by them. Here I have Instagram. I want to get at least 5k followers this year. Here's another date night because I want to go on a date with the one I love. Here is I am enough. This is still motivational. It has like little writings in it which says I am cheerful, I am kind. Like, it's just really nice. I liked it, so I had to put it on my board. Here are motivational talks, motivational quotes, and all that. And here, this represents making new friends this year. So I want to make new friends. This is motivational as well. So I have all that. And right here, I have balanced diet because I want to start eating healthy, you guys. I'm gonna try. And here represents my body goal. This is what I want to look like at the end of 2020. This means having a flat belly. I really want to have a flat belly. So all here is basically fitness and then health. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I have on my vision board. So I encourage you guys to definitely make your own, because this really helps. This is my first time making it, so we're going to see. But if you make it and believe that it will come true and actually work hard to get it, my dear gems, you guys are actually going to get it. So why don't you make yours? You should actually make yours. I urge you to make yours. I encourage you to make yours. It will really be nice. And it's actually just nice to make this type of thing, like put effort to think about what you actually want to achieve in 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy and learn a few things or two, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Are you a studio manager?
There's going to be a lot of bloopers in this board. Okay, I'm ready. Did you stop now? My head is scratching. Hey guys. Hi. How are you doing? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Au revoir. Adios. Adios, señorito. Compadre. I don't know what that is. Bye guys.
Someone who's been to the other side, blurring the lines between earth and mind. She's